Hey guys, Dr. Christy Ennis. Maybe you have a history of ankle sprains, or like me, you've had a lot of surgeries, or maybe ankle just happens to be your weakness. Mine is cake, just so you know. Either way, these 5 exercises today will get you started in the right direction and get you feeling stronger. First 2 exercises do require a band to do. And for this one, we're going to attach it to something sturdy. My chair is not, so the weights are on top of it to keep it sturdy. If you have a foam roller or a rolling pin, you're going to place that underneath too, just so that the exercise itself is a little bit easier. And for this first one, it's around the top of the foot, kind of close to the ball of that foot, and you're bringing that foot back towards your head. And then look how shaky I am. Told you I got ankle stuff, right? You're bringing that slowly back down, so that when we go down, we're working the eccentric or the lengthening part. When we go up, we're working that concentric or shortening part of the muscle. And both parts are actually really important. And you actually tend, as you can see by my foot, tend to be weaker in that eccentric or that lengthening motion. So you want to build up to 3 sets of 15, but probably wanting to start out, if you're just starting, with 1 set of 10 to 12. Second one works the everters, or the muscles that help turn that foot out. So you're going to loop it again around the same area, and then you're going to bring it underneath the other foot, so you've got some resistance there. I'm going to press down with that right foot, hold on to the band with the right, and then you actually want to make sure you hold on to your leg with that opposite hand, or the left hand, as you go to pull that foot out. And that is so that you don't cheat and use your leg instead of the muscles in the ankle that we're really trying to work on. Same idea, nice and slow and controlled, both out and in. And again, even though this is the other ankle, it also still has a little bit of weakness too. And again, going in that eccentric direction. So 3 sets of 15 is the goal here. All right, we're targeting the muscles in the calf this time, and the muscles that pull the foot in. Grabbing onto something somewhat sturdy, at least if you need it for balance, and you are going to come right up onto those toes. Same idea, right? Like the last one, you want to make sure that you're not just going up and down fast. It's up as high as your foot will allow you to go, and then with control, nice and slow on the way down. You can do these in shoes if you need to start. I do like people to try to progress to barefoot to make it harder. You can even do 1 leg at a time, still holding on if need be. Obviously the hardest would be, and I don't know if I can do this, so I'm not going to, doing that 1 leg without holding on. And again, 3 sets of 15. This next one is going to look like a little dance move, so put on your tunes and we're going to go. So you're going to bring feet one way, and then heels come the other way. You do want to make sure you're doing this either barefoot or with sneakers, not with socks on, because you actually want to be gripping. So we're using all of those foot muscles as well as those ankle muscles that help bring us in and out. So a little bit of an advancement. Last one is a strict balance one, but it uses all of our muscles now to keep us steady. So you can start by putting your toes down in the back if you need a little extra balance, or even making sure, right, you've got a dowel or a nice wall to hang on to. From here, you're going to think about lifting the arch of the foot. Don't squeeze your toes to do it, but just lift that arch a little, and then see if you can literally stand there, right? If you can, you're going to bring that knee up towards you a little bit more. Goal would be to hold this for about a minute, but obviously start where you're at. If you want to make it harder, you can do it on a pillow, or you can even try closing your eyes. I can do that for about 2 seconds. And whoa, look at that. This is a great one to do when you're brushing your teeth or anything like that, because you can do any of these actually throughout the day. So there you have it, guys. Let's get stronger.